Hello and welcome to the Music School of Rock. In this video, I'm showing you how to play the legendary C major scale. Alright, first, let's make sure you remember we use numbers for the fingers. So the thumb is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're gonna use the number 1 from the right hand and we're gonna put it on the middle C. So right in the center of the piano. So you're gonna start with 1, 2 on D, 3 on E. We're gonna pass the thumb right here to go play the F, and then the G, 3 on A, 4 on B, and we end on C. And then we have to go back, so C, B, A with 3, 2 on G, F, and then we have to pass the number 3 to go play the E, D, and 1 on C. So that was for the right hand, and then we're gonna play the left hand. It's the same note, a little bit different for the fingers. So we're gonna use the 5 right here on the C, just a little bit below the middle C. So 5 on C, 4 on D, 3 on E, 2 on F, 1 on G. You can use the 3 to go right here to go play the A, and then 2 on B, 1 on C. And we go back, C, 2 on B, 3. We're gonna pass the thumb below here to play G, F, 3, 4 on D, and 5. So make sure you work on the separate hand first. Now, we're gonna do both hands. Alright, so there you go. So make sure you practice right hand, left hand separate, and then put both hands together. You can use a metronome at 60, 70, a quarter note, and then go faster. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please join us on Facebook, on Instagram, and hit the subscribe button to make sure you never miss a lesson. So keep on rocking, and I'll see you soon.